Hey lovelies, it's Ebony, and of course I'm back with another video for you. This video is sponsored by Formulate Hair Products. If you aren't familiar with them, Formulate is a personal formulation service that creates customized shampoos and conditioners. If you're struggling to get your hair and scalp to a healthier place, Formulate wants to help, and all you have to do to start is take a quick questionnaire. After that, your personal cosmetic chemist will then design your initial formulas, which are individually dispensed, mixed by hand, and shipped directly to your front door. Now, we all know curly hair can be so tricky and finicky, so some changes might have to be made. If at any time you decide that you want that to happen, all you have to do is visit the mobile app to communicate directly with your personal formulation team, which should be pretty simple because Formulate will check in on your progress after each shipment so that together you and your chemist can evolve the formulas based on how your hair and scalp are responding. Oh, and I cannot forget the very important detail that these products are sulfate, paraben, preservative, and cruelty-free. Silicone, gluten-free, and vegan formulas are also available. Now, just so you know, I formulated my products to help my hair with manageability, hydration, split ends, and curl definition. You're also even allowed to choose what scent you want. So I had to choose Cool Coconut. I love coconut scented products. Anything with a tropical fruity scent, I'm all over it. And you can even decide how much scent you want. I chose a medium level, which seemed to be the perfect amount. I've used both of these products twice on myself and even once on Alex, and each time I've been very pleased. The shampoo suds up so quickly and I don't have to really work my arms and tire myself out, and the conditioner leaves my hair super soft. If you're interested in giving Formulate a try, guess what? They are doing a giveaway right now. So all you have to do is click the link in my description box. The winner will choose one 8-ounce set of shampoo and conditioner, but everyone who enters will automatically receive $5 off their purchase. I just love contests where you win even if you lose. Now moving on to the styling portion of this video, my hair is freshly washed. I'm about to apply my curling cream for this video, and I think some of you will be surprised or probably confused depending on how old you are. But I decided I would use Afro Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. When I saw it in Walgreens, I just kind of stood there looking at it for a while because I was like, is this like the Afro Sheen from like the 70s and 60s and like really? They put out some curl defining products? Like, okay. I mean, when you think about it, it only makes sense. So in order to further define my crown, I used the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel. This is a new product from Cantu. It has a strong, flexible hold, so you know I had to try it. And actually, this is, I think, my second, maybe third time using it, and I just love the results. The curl defining cream from Afro Sheen, it did a great job defining my curls. I also even used a gel cream that came along with it. Well, I bought it together, but the gel cream seemed more like it was more gel than cream, and it didn't really have a strong enough hold. It was almost there, but not quite. So I just switched to the Cantu gel, and that seemed to do the job. I will say this, I use the gel cream all by itself because when I hear gel cream, I think 2 products in one. There's no need to add a third. So maybe if I would have added, which actually I ended up doing, I did add the cream first and then the gel, but it still wasn't as, it didn't have the hold that I was looking for. What I really love about both of these products is that they were able to play well with products that are not from their product line. You know, sometimes you can grab this person's curling cream, this person's leave-in conditioner, this person's gel, and it just all looks crazy in the end because the formula is formulated so that it only works well with the product line that's in the same line. But these products work well with one another. I had such great definition and I still had a lot of volume. You'll see that at the end of the video, my hair felt fluffy but still defined and in control. This was a really good combo. At first I was thinking I'll just take the gel cream back to Walgreens, but I don't want to give up on it yet. I feel like it's so close to giving me what I want that I'm going to keep it and play around with it for just a little bit longer. And if you guys want to purchase any of these products, make sure you check out the links in my description box. And before I go, let me know what you guys think of my new logo. I love it. You have no idea, or maybe you do, I don't know, but I just know how hard it is to get a logo made, to first of all, to even decide what you want your logo to be. I am so indecisive. I'm always like, what if I'm missing out on this other person, or maybe I should have went with this other design. So I can't even explain to you how excited I was when Luciana Deal, a graphic designer, reached out to me with ideas already in mind, and somehow she nailed it on the head the first time. I mean, we made some changes here and there, but for the most part, she had the vision in mind that I truly wanted. She was really easy to work with, she was patient with me, and she gave me several options to choose from. So if you need any graphic design work, please check her out on her Instagram. Just DM her. She'll be happy to help. Okay, you guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, turn on those notifications, enter the giveaway in my description box below. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching.